Hi guys, welcome back to Leytenia's kitchenette. This is my recipe for today. This is a fried milky fish or bangus. This is marinated with garlic, onion, soy sauce, vinegar, black pepper, garlic powder, paprika powder, and chicken bouillon. And then I fry it, and this is it. And garnish with tomato, bell pepper, and cucumber. This is some tricolor, and I have here with the sausawan, the soy sauce with garlic and onion slice. And this one is fried onion rings. And this is a very yummy, healthy lunch. This is my lunch. And with the matching rice. This is a long grain rice or a parboiled rice. And this is a good match for this fried fish with the sausawan, with the sauce. This is soy sauce with vinegar, with sliced onions and garlic, and onion rings. So bon appetit, and thank you for watching, and I hope you like this simple but yummy and healthy fried fish with veges and with a matching boiled rice. Sigurado mabubusog kayo dito. I'm sure you will enjoy eating with this marinated bangus or milky fish. This fish is imported from the Philippines, and it is sold in the Asian store here in Germany. Sarap ang kain basta may sausawan at may pritong isda na bangus. So yan na lang guys ang aking ipakita sa inyo. This is my lunch for today. Filipino ideal food for the lunch. Fried fish with the rice with soy sauce and fried onion rings. So halina't kakain tayo para mabusog. Lami kaayo ni guys kasi marinated na yan bago giprito. Unya di apay kanon diri nga lami kayo ipaaris aning piniritong bangus nga may kamatis, cucumber, bell pepper, at may sausawan na sukat at tuyo na may garlic at may bawang at sibuyas. At yan ang ating pritong sibuyas na bilog-bilog or ring onions. This is it guys. Thank you for watching and bon appetit. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Leytenia's kitchenette. So click the notification bell so that you will be updated with the upcoming videos from Leytenia's kitchenette. And bon appetit. See you again in my next vlog. Bye bye.